how to download Weverse app on Android. So if you want to download Weverse app, then first of all you need to open up your Play Store. So after opening your Play Store, now first check that you have a stable internet connection or not. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you can simply turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, and after that go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and then simply tap on the search bar and search for Weverse. And after searching, here you will have an option of install. You can simply tap on install, and that's it. That's how you install your Weverse application, or that's how you download your Weverse application from your App Store or your Play Store. And after installing, you will have this open option, right? You can simply tap on open, and after opening you can simply create your account, or if you already have an account, then you can log into your account, and after logging in you can use your Weverse account. That's it. That's how you download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.